We're getting to South Korea. South Korea.
Emergency life vests for an emergency water landing are stowed under the seat in economy class and between the seats in business class. 구명복은 머리 위에서부터 입으시고 끈은 허리에 감아 귀에 끼워 주의 주시기 바랍니다. To put the vest on, slip it over your head. Take the strap and put it around your waist. Then fasten. 붉은색 소장기를 당기면 얼굴을 지며 충분히 덮이지 않을 때는 고무관을 풀어주십시오. To inflate the vest, pull down on the red tabs. For more air, blow into the tube of the vest. 구명복은 탈출 직전 비상구역에서 부풀려 주시기 바랍니다. Inflate the vest just before exiting. 이제 켜지는 비상등을 따라 탈출하시기 바랍니다. There are 8 exits on this aircraft. In case of an emergency evacuation, please follow the emergency lights in the cabin to evacuate the aircraft. 다섯 쪽의 구명정이 탈출입니다. When landing on water, 5 slide rafts will be inflated. 기내에 부착되어 있는 각종 안내판을 확인하시고 기내와 화장실에서는 금연해 주시기 바랍니다. Please take a moment to review the information signs and placards located in the aircraft. Smoking in the cabin and lavatories is not allowed at any time. 자세한 내용, 좌석과 주머니 속에 안내서를 참고하시기 바랍니다. For more information, please review the safety information card located on here. 아름다운 사람들의 아시아나와 함께 편안한 여행 되시기 바랍니다. We hope you enjoy your flight with Asiana Airlines. Thank you.
We're moving on. Now where are we going? To South Korea. South Korea. That is green, not blue. That is the same. That is green. We are in Japan. South Korea. Sure. Wait, that is South Korea? Where are we going? South Korea. For sure. Wait, why? Why is like the old TV? Hero. Let's do some dance. Now. 맞춰도 돼. remember, this is not on real life. That happened before. Like days before. He stopped. Okay, going now. So we take off. This is airplane. Going on where? So what the Sigma?
손님 여러분, 이 비행기는 곧 이륙하겠습니다. 좌석 벨트를 매고 계신지 다시 한번 확인해 주시기 바랍니다. Ladies and gentlemen, we will take off soon. For your safety, please check that your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
Just wait a minute. So we are going now. Now let's try to take off. Isn't that? And my pet too. We are with mom. Can't we sing my ears. Let's see some photos. Let's see some photos of that. Because I'm eating food. What's so yummy is I like this. So I will eat this first. It's very yummy. You, I want Sakura. Sure.